So the good folks at Vivino say that this is a 3.6, which kind of equates to about an 85, 85 to 87 on the traditional 100-point scale of wine. Let's see if I agree. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Caceres. We are here to help you know more and drink better. Apologies for the aggressive t-shirt, but it's very soft, so it's very comfortable to wear. Today we're seeing if I agree with the crowd on Vivino. For those of you that don't know, Vivino is an app / website that kind of crowdsources wine ratings from people across the world. Now, I personally don't really use it, right? I don't track my wine consumption in that type of a way. Really, the way that I track my wine consumption or observations in wine is through this channel and Instagram. Less so TikTok, because I try to stay off of TikTok. It's really the cesspool of humanity. As I'm always looking for alternatives to Sauvignon Blanc. I enjoy Sauvignon Blanc, but they're you don't want to always be drinking the same thing. So Verdejo is a grape that is generally a good one. And this one is from Rueda in Spain. So this is the 2023 Marques de Caceres Rueda Verdejo. I'm going to see in editing if you can actually read the label, or if this cinematic stuff blurs it out. Pretty light white wine. I don't know if there's any oak involved in this particular wine. It's a little, the color makes it seem like it might have a touch, but again, what we're expecting here and what we're hoping for is a nice citrusy, bright, acidic wine that we can pour very easily and very happily when we're having a salad or seafood or just sitting out on the porch. Let's see if this guy does the trick. So lots of citrus here, more on the lemon lime spectrum, which is nice. I don't love when wines get too grapefruity. You can argue there's almost a little bit of a passion fruit note in there. I get a sense that there has been some oak involved, because I'm getting a little bit of a butter vanilla note. It's very subtle. It's not in your face, but it's there in the background, and I'm getting a number of herbal notes, herbal qualities. So a very nice nose, and when you think about Sauvignon Blanc with citrus and cut grass, you could see the parallels. A lot of minerality on this wine. It's a bit aggressive. You don't really taste a lot of fruit. I taste a lot of alcohol. I'm gonna take another sip here, because that first one, it was so aggressive it almost was like you couldn't really taste the fruit, herbs. I got a bunch of minerality, but that's it. It was just like a big face full of metal. The nose is really nice. There's almost like a banana note coming in too. Okay. So yeah, there's something off balance and aggressive about this wine that makes me never want to take another sip. So do I agree with the folks at Vivino that gave this a 3.6, which would equate to an 85 to 87? Absolutely not. This wine is, if I had to rate it, like I am rating all my wines nowadays, this is a 75. I don't care that it was $11 a bottle. I can't, to me, it's undrinkable, and it's a shame, because I was really looking forward to this. So I don't agree with Vivino, We're going to keep trying these types of exercises, though. I like the idea of seeing how my opinion compares to the crowd. Hopefully you enjoy this format. Let me know if you've had good experience with this particular wine, or if you have any Verdejos that you do like and do recommend, because I've had a number that I really enjoy. And hey, thanks so much for joining. Hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.